Welcome friends. Today, in this video, Smoothie Recipes eBook, in-depth comprehensive review, and benefits of Smoothie Recipes eBook. Smoothies have become a popular choice for a healthy and nutritious meal or snack. They are easy to make, quick to prepare, and can be packed with various fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients that can help you achieve your health goals. If you're looking for a collection of delicious and healthy smoothie recipes, an ebook dedicated to smoothies is the perfect solution. In this article, we'll explore the benefits of using a smoothie recipe ebook and provide some tips for making the most out of your smoothie making experience. Benefits of a smoothie recipe ebook. Convenience. With a smoothie recipe ebook, you can access hundreds of smoothie recipes at your fingertips. This means you can easily browse through the ebook to find a recipe that suits your taste buds, dietary preferences, or health goals. Variety. A smoothie recipe ebook offers a wide range of recipes, from fruity and refreshing to rich and indulgent. You can experiment with different ingredients, flavors, and textures to create unique smoothies every time. Nutritional value. Smoothies are a great way to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, and other nutrient-rich ingredients into your diet. With a smoothie recipe ebook, you can find recipes that are specifically designed to provide the right balance of nutrients for your body. Cost-effective. Buying a smoothie from a store can be expensive, but making your own smoothies at home using a recipe ebook is a cost-effective alternative. You can buy ingredients in bulk and make several servings of smoothies at once, saving you money in the long run. Customizable. A smoothie recipe ebook provides a base recipe that you can modify according to your preferences. You can swap out ingredients, adjust the sweetness or thickness of the smoothie, and add supplements such as protein powder or superfoods to create a personalized smoothie. Tips for making the most of your smoothie recipe ebook. Start with the basics. If you're new to making smoothies, start with the basic recipes in the ebook. This will help you get a sense of the ingredients and proportions needed to create a smoothie. Get creative. Once you're comfortable with the basics, try experimenting with different ingredients to create unique and flavorful smoothies. Don't be afraid to try unusual combinations or ingredients you've never used before. Use the right equipment. To make a smoothie, you'll need a blender that can handle blending ice and frozen fruit. Make sure your blender is powerful enough to handle the ingredients you're using. Plan ahead. Smoothies are a great option for busy mornings or a quick snack, but they do require some planning. Plan your smoothie recipes in advance and make sure you have all the necessary ingredients on hand. Don't forget about texture. The texture of a smoothie can make or break the experience. Make sure you're using the right amount of liquid to achieve the desired thickness and texture. If you like your smoothie thicker, use less liquid, and if you prefer a thinner smoothie, add more liquid. Conclusion. A smoothie recipe ebook is a valuable resource for anyone who wants to incorporate more smoothies into their diet. With the convenience, variety, and nutritional value it offers, a smoothie recipe ebook is a must-have for anyone who wants to enjoy delicious and healthy smoothies. By following the tips above, you can make the most of your ebook and create smoothies that are tailored to your taste buds and health goals.